Everybody, we are going to talk about Whisk. Whisk is part of Google Labs, and you can find it at labs.google and look for Whisk. This is an experimental piece, so it's not out for everybody. I think it's available in the United States, but there may be some limitations to other countries. This is the basic front page for the Whisk. You have the Whisk Help Center and FAQs. If you've been using it, you already have a library. Here's mine. And you can go in here and you can search your library, all that neat stuff. If you go over here, you can enable or disable. You can delete your library data, and there's an FAQ. And why did you create it? Blah, 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 all that fun stuff. And then you can go over here, click on Whisk, and now you are on the Whisk page. So let me get this going. Let me see if we can get this down a little bit. All right, so this is kind of their main page for Whisk. Again, it's experimental. And this middle section right here kind of gives you an opportunity to test it out without going deeper. So you'll see where it says create some magic, and it says prompt less, play more. And then right here you see make a plushie. You can change this to a sticker or an enamel pin. And so that's the style. So the style is either a plushie for this part is a plushie, a pin, or a sticker. So let's do a plushie right now. And then here you can drop an image. And so let me see. I don't know if I have any images to drop. Let me see if I can click on it and find one. All right, so I don't have two screens up right now. So let's just see what we can find. Let's do this guide. All right, and then it's going to make a plushie for me. So let's see how it makes this little guy look. Sometimes it takes a little while. Oh, that's kind of cool. Now I can click on here and say open in tool, but I'm not going to do that right now. I am going to go down here and I am going to start from scratch. All right, so we're still on a Whisk page. And if you look up here, it's labs.google/fx/tools/Whisk. All right, and so you have three things you can add. You can add a subject, a scene, and a style. So if you hover over each box, as I'm hovering over subject, you can see I can enter text as my prompt, or I can upload an image. Same with the scene, enter text or upload an image. Style, enter text or upload an image. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am actually going to enter text for my subject. And I'm just going to put rabbit. Alrighty. And then for scene, I am going to find a scene. Let me see if I got one. This might be harder than normal. So let's do this one. This looks like some kind of parking lot thing. All right, and then style. For the style, hopefully this will let me fix the style. And I will say I want a cartoonish theme. Let's see, my prompts are very, very basic. Let's see if it helps me out here. So we're going to give it a couple seconds. Turn off my heater. Let's see what we got. And now I got the subject, the scene, and the style. And now I'm going to add a little bit of information. I'm going to put, please create an image with a cartoon rabbit in a parking lot for a animation show. Let's see. So now I want to click generate. I don't have a lot of faith. My prompts are not very good, but let's see what we got. Especially since all of them look like they're photographs. So while we're waiting for it, my library's up here. There's a Discord site, and then you can click on here for more questions. And let's see what we got. Well, not too bad. Not really cartoonish, but let me see. So let's do please create an image where the rabbit is driving the vehicle in the background. Please have another rabbit directing traffic. And so what it's doing is it's kind of following the theme. And if you look over here, the theme was not perfect. So let's see what we got. So the cartoon part is out. And let's see if I can get this little bunny driving this vehicle. I should have had it in the bucket. So again, takes a little while. If you hear some background noise, I'm in my backyard. Oh, these are good. These are good. Let me see. All right, so this is the rabbit driving, and then I guess this one's kind of directing traffic. And if you look down here, add or edit details, so it actually has the prompt right here, so you can copy and paste this if you like it. And yeah, do I see a couple flaws? I see a couple flaws, but not so bad. Not so bad. Now let me go to the next one. This one I like a little bit better. This one's a keeper. And so let me hit generate one more time. And I didn't change anything, but let's just see what it does. I like that. So that's how you use Whisk. Oh, this is another good one. These are jackrabbits. Look at those big ears. This one, pretty good, except for the traffic guy's a little bit behind the vehicle. I like it. Give it a try. Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.